Brett Pontecorvo here at mainstagetoableton.com, and today we're going to talk about how we can use audio effects to create stereo depth. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this idea with just a basic sine wave. So when I play this, I'll turn the sub off. All you're getting is a sine wave at a specific pitch. It's totally mono. As you can see, the left and the right signals are exactly the same. And if we put this through a very, very basic reverb, without me doing anything to it at all, I'm going to start it at 0 and slowly bring it in. You'll notice right away we've got some stereo depth. And that's sort of even before you've done any sound design at all. You've gone from something that is really just living in a totally mono land to creating some stereo vision. Another thing that works very nicely is a chorus effect. And the reason for that is it is sort of creating two signals out of your one and then varying the rate at which it's delaying it. So I'll play it off and then on for you. So if you're looking to get a slightly wider sound, a chorus is definitely a thing that's going to give you a touch more stereo depth. Also, one final effect, it doesn't give you the same sort of change, but using a simple delay that is set to time and varying the time on your right and your left side will give you a bit of stereo depth. All right, so those are three simple ways to create some stereo depth out of a signal that is totally mono. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to Ableton, and especially if you're switching from MainStage, head over to my website at mainstagetoableton.com/go to get your free copy of the Fast Track patch list guide today, which will have you up and running with a MainStage style patch list in Ableton Live. And to stay up to date with all of our latest blog posts, be sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel here.